Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 5. I hope you all are fine, dear students. With the English text, along with English text, I am going to start English grammar. I know, student, these basic definitions you learned in your previous classes, so it is compulsory to revise them and recall them and relearn them and have on your screen. I have a small and basic definition of English grammar. So along with text, we are going to start basic English grammar. So on your screen, we are starting the grammar. Here are some definitions I am going to explain now. First of all, the word is grammar. Most important point in the writing, in the composition, in the reading. Understand what is grammar? Grammar is that knowledge which teaches how to read, how to speak, how to understand any language correctly. ग्रामर एक ऐसा आर्ट है, एक ऐसा स्किल है जो हमें बताता है कि किसी भी लैंग्वेज को कैसे पढ़ा जाए, हाउ टू रीड, हाउ टू स्पीक, मतलब कैसे बोला जाए, हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड, कैसे समझा जाए किसी भी लैंग्वेज को अच्छे तरीके के साथ. दिस इज द वन टाइप ऑफ आर्ट दैट इज ग्रामर. Dear students, we have started the grammar. Are you getting? So, in other words, you can say rules and regulation of any language. Rules and regulation of any language is called grammar. Both are the definition. A lot of definitions are present on the net, internet, and every teacher has its own method of definition. But these are meant to definitions you can explain well the word grammar. This is the art. This is the rules and regulation of any language. Understand? After the grammar, the definition of letter is present on your screen. So, each sign of English alphabet. Each sign of English alphabet. English alphabets की जितनी भी letters हैं, जो भी signs हैं from A to Z, यानी कि A to Z, these all are called letters. These all are called letters. But letters have types. कुछ letters vowel होते हैं, कुछ consonant होते हैं. छोटे बच्चों की तरह as you from the 1 and 2 you have learned the vowel and consonant. These vowel and consonant are the types of the letter vowel A, E, I, O, U. Without these, all the letters are consonant, but semi-vowel are also present in the alphabet. So types of letters are vowel and the consonant. Are you getting me? And after that, last definition on your screen is word. Last definition of the screen is word. A group of letters which give us complete meaning is called word. A group of letters, एक letters का मजमुआ जो हमें complete meaning दे, complete sense देना ज़रूरी है. As like, for example, a group of letters which give us a complete meaning is called word. This is the definition of word. For example, W plus O plus R plus K. We are just learning for a small kids, dear students. I know you have information about the word, but it is compulsory to recall them. So what it made? Work. W-O-R-K. These are the letters, and this is the combination of letter, and they made a word work. This was English, letter, and the word. I hope you understood well. Inshallah, we will meet in the lecture number 10. Take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz Nasir.